Hey, what's up guys? Today I wanted to show you how to fix this nerf super soaker. So the problem is that it's clogged, so the water is not going out, right? So I disassembled it and had a look. So the one thing that annoys me a lot with this product is that it is designed to be clogged basically, and they make your life difficult to repair it, right? So that you buy a new one instead of trying to fix it. So you have a piston here, so the water goes out here, and you see what is interesting is this part. They could have used like some tubes, right? Small tubes, and made that easy to repair, but instead they use this part, which is an injection molding part, and which is glued. So what you see now is because I broke all the plastic around with a plier. So you can use a plier to break the plastic around, and then you can unglue it. So you see the glue is actually here all around, so it's very difficult to unglue. And so what happens is that you have maybe a grain of sand that goes in here, and then it clogs it, and you cannot unclog it, right? So, well, unless you do like me, right? You break it open, and you see they even put those little knobs here. What's the point of those, right? They make no point. But the only reason they are here is that if a grain of sand goes in here, then it cannot go back, basically. So, because it doesn't make more sense. I don't think it's helping the water go farther or anything. So anyway, so you can open it with a plier like this. You break the plastic all around, and then you can clean the holes. You see now they are cleaned, and then I'm going to use hot glue to seal it back, because if you don't seal it, the water will leak all around, right? So you have to put something to prevent water from leaking. So hot glue is one solution, but maybe not the best, because if it clogs again, then it's not so easy to fix it. The best would be maybe paraffin. If you have paraffin film, maybe you can clean the edges and just go around with the paraffin film. There's probably other ideas, but you have to seal it back if you want to be able to use it. So that's about it. I'm not very happy with this product about this, because it's clear planned obsolescence. Like, they design it, they put a lot of effort into designing it so that you will not repair it if it breaks. So hopefully you will still repair it with this technique, and that's about it. So have a good day. Bye bye.